Hi, welcome to our Wellness Wednesday video series. My name is Dr. Megan Lynch and I'm a staff psychologist here at Towson University's Counseling Center. Today I will be going through how you can create something called a crisis coping kit. This is something that can be made and then stored for use later when you're experiencing an emotionally distressing situation or possibly a panic attack. It can help to ground and soothe until the moment has passed or resolved. Crisis toolkits can be made up of things that activate any of the five senses. On screen now are some ideas, but certainly there are many things that excite the senses outside of this small list. There are items that can fit in a small pencil case or a Ziploc bag. Additionally, you can make as many kits as you feel driven to so that you have multiple, since we never know when an emotionally distressing moment will occur. Some suggestions of where to keep your crisis toolkit or kits would be in a backpack, in a car, on a nightstand, placed inside of a desk, and so on. Essentially, you want them in locations you frequently have access to or are around. There are endless possibilities of what you can put in them and where they can be. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you tune in weekly for more Wellness Wednesday video series. Have a wonderful rest of your day.